Hey, what's up you guys? Jay Styles, all things Styles. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, go and subscribe to the channel. Those returning, as always, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. So today for you guys, we got a video response to a question I get asked often. That question is, what's the best time and temp to press plastisol transfers? So I figured, hey, let me do a quick video because I can show you guys better than I can tell you. And today, for the video, we'll be using this workwear shirt. I purchased this about maybe 4 seasons ago from Uniqlo on the clearance rack. It's about 10 bucks. This is going to be a good 2-for-1 for you guys. Show you guys how to repurpose your items as well as to be in line with the fall trends. So for these transfers, our press is going to be 325, but we'll bump it up a notch. It'll be about 7 seconds, but we'll alter that as well. And we'll get into the specifics once our temperature is right and you guys can get in. Enjoy the rest of your Monday. Okay, so our press is at 330. The desired temperature is 325, but like I said, I bump it up a bit, so 335. The desired time is 7 seconds, but I go for 11 to account for the timer as well as the press time. So as always, you want to have your lint brush. It's going to prevent any type of debris. You're going to get the best print possible. Prepress, you want to get any kind of moisture out of your garments. This is going to be essential when you're doing or dealing with plastisol transfers. And so now the most important part is going to be your pressure. You want to have heavy pressure. That's where your press comes into play. These are going to be a hot pill. So how's it going for you guys out there on this fine Monday? Hope you guys are being positive and productive. These are also going to be a hot pill. Once again, 7 seconds, but I go for 11. Once again, we don't normally use our Teflon sheet, but in this case we want to protect the exposed plastisol. Go ahead and give it another press. Okay, now for the pocket, we're going to use this press pillow. And the purpose of that is because you want to have a flat surface, as this has the seams right here. Yeah, I don't always get jiggy, but when I do, it looks this way. You guys be cool. Better yet, you guys be kind, because being kind is cool. And I'll catch you on the next one.